Mango 1. Rich in protective antioxidants, mangoes are a good source of protective compounds with antioxidant properties. These plant chemicals include galotannins and mangofurin. Both have been studied for their ability to counter the oxidative stress associated with day-to-day living and exposure to toxins. As with other plant foods, many of these compounds are found in and just beneath the skin. A 2012 study looking at the peel of mangoes concluded that it may play a role in preventing obesity, thanks to the plant chemicals located there. 2. May aid digestion. A pilot study in 2018 demonstrated that people with chronic constipation who ate mango over a 4-week period enjoyed significant improvement in their symptoms, in part due to the fiber content but potentially from other compounds in the fruit, too. Interestingly, the leaves of the mango tree also appear to offer potential antidiarrheal activity thanks to plant chemicals in the leaves. An earlier animal study found that obese mice who had a high-fat diet had improved gut microflora after mango was added to their diet. Studies suggest this may be thanks to the polyphenols, protective compounds like galotannins in the fruit. The mango's phytochemicals have also been studied for their gastroprotective effects, offering both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to the digestive system, and may even help reduce inflammation in conditions like ulcerative colitis. 3. May help maintain healthy skin and hair. Mangoes contain reasonable levels of both vitamins A and C. Vitamin C is involved in the formation of collagen, the protein that acts as a scaffold to skin, keeping it plump and firm. Vitamin C is one of the most important antioxidants, playing a protective role against environmental damage. A deficiency of vitamin C can affect wound healing and increase fine lines and wrinkles. Our hair also requires vitamin C both for collagen production and also to help with the absorption of iron, an important mineral needed for hair growth. All cells require vitamin A for growth, including the skin and hair, and some studies suggest that it may offer potential protective effects against the signs of aging. One of vitamin A's key roles is its involvement in the production of sebum, the oily substance that moisturizes our skin and scalp.